Welcome to Intelligent Insights. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating stunning AI-generated videos using three powerful tools: Heygen.com, ChatGPT, and Filmora. Let's dive in.
Step 1. Meet Heygen.com. This incredible website harnesses the power of AI to generate lifelike videos in just a few clicks. Log into Heygen.com using TempMail, the smart way to handle multiple logins free. TempMail provides you with unique, disposable email addresses that you can use for any online platform. Simply choose your desired username and instantly generate a temporary email address. Verifying a TempMail code is easy. First, sign up for a TempMail account and generate a temporary email address. When you receive a verification email, open it and copy or click the verification code provided. Then, go back to the platform where you need to verify your email and enter the code. Once the code is entered, the platform will confirm your email address and you can proceed to use the platform as intended. It's a simple and convenient process for confirming ownership or access to a temporary email address. ChatGPT is a helpful tool for AI video script writing. It collaborates with writers, generates ideas, and refines dialogue. With its vast knowledge, it sparks creativity and overcomes writer's block. ChatGPT is revolutionizing AI video making by blurring the line between human and machine. Unleash your imagination and create amazing scripts with ChatGPT. And select it by highlighting the text. Right-click and choose Copy. Now come back to Heygen.com to create an AI video.
What to do on your first week with us. Welcome to the...
Then select a template for your video. Click on Use the template. Paste the copied text into timeline. After this, make some changes as per your requirements, like changing avatar, background colors, text color, or whichever you want. When all desired changes done, click on Submit. Next step is to let Heygen.com to bring your video ready. When video 100 ready, then click Download button or preview the video. Now the AI video is ready to be edited in Filmora. Currently, we are utilizing Filmora as our primary tool for eliminating the watermark attributed to Heygen.com from our created videos. The process involves importing the video onto the Filmora timeline, applying a straightforward cropping technique, and adjusting it to meet specific requirements. Finally, we export the video in the desired quality.
Remember to subscribe to Intelligent Insights for more exciting AI-related content and stay at the forefront of this rapidly evolving technology. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep creating with AI.